This is one of those upgrades that doesn't just look good on paper but actually changes how your setup feels every single day. A 34-inch ultrawide like the Samsung ViewFinity S65UA gives you a completely different kind of workspace, one that feels open, seamless, and far more efficient than a traditional dual-monitor layout. The first thing that stands out is the width. With a 3440 by 1440 resolution, there's a lot more room to work with. You can stretch timelines, keep multiple windows side by side, and move through tasks without constantly switching tabs. It creates a smoother workflow whether you're editing videos, designing, coding, or just managing a busy schedule. The curve plays an important role here too. It's designed to match your natural field of view, so everything stays within a comfortable range. That means less head movement and less fatigue over time. It's a small detail that becomes more noticeable the longer you use it. In terms of picture quality, this display delivers a clean and vibrant experience. HDR10 support and a wide color range help bring out more depth and detail in both work and entertainment. Colors feel richer, contrast is improved, and overall visuals are more engaging compared to standard displays. It's not a specialized professional panel, but for everyday creators and users, it performs really well. Another thing that improves the overall experience is the 100 Hz refresh rate. It adds a layer of smoothness that you can feel right away. Scrolling is more fluid, transitions are cleaner, and even casual gaming feels more responsive. It's one of those features that quietly enhances everything you do. Connectivity is where this monitor becomes even more practical. With USB-C support, you can run everything through a single cable. That includes video signal, data transfer, and charging your device. It simplifies your desk setup and removes a lot of unnecessary clutter, which is a huge win for productivity. The stand is flexible and designed for comfort. You can adjust the height and angle to match your position, helping you maintain a better posture throughout the day. Eye care features are also built in, reducing blue light and screen flicker so long sessions feel less tiring. Design-wise, it keeps things simple and modern. Thin bezels, a minimal aesthetic, and a sturdy build make it fit easily into any environment. Whether it's a clean office setup or a creative workspace, it blends in without distraction. This isn't trying to be a niche product for a specific audience. Instead, it focuses on delivering a balanced experience that works for a wide range of users. It's ideal for productivity, content creation, entertainment, and even light gaming, all without pushing into an extreme price category. If the goal is to upgrade your setup with something that feels practical, immersive, and efficient, this is a strong option that delivers where it matters most. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get yours.